Hi Blasters, welcome back. Today let me take you back to the skies over Britain in 1940 during one of the most terrifying chapters of World War II, the Blitz. It's the autumn of 1940. Night falls, and with it comes a low, distant hum. Soon, the sky roars. German bombers are approaching. The Luftwaffe unleashes wave after wave of firepower on British cities, especially London. For 57 consecutive nights, bombs rain down. Heinkel, A111S, and Dornier. Du-17S blacken the skies, escorted by Messerschmitt Bf-109 fighters. On the ground, sirens scream. Civilians scramble into shelters. Fires rage. Streets are reduced to rubble. But Britain holds on. The Royal Air Force, with their Spitfires and Hurricanes, take to the skies in fierce dogfights. Against overwhelming odds, they protect their homeland, night after night. This wasn't just a fight for territory. It was a fight for survival and spirit. Winston Churchill's words echoed.
We shall never surrender.
And they didn't. The Blitz failed to break Britain. It only strengthened the resolve of a nation that refused to bow. What would you have done if the sky fell night after night? See you next time. And don't forget to subscribe to Blast of History. Thanks for watching.